So on the bright side, Vroom Vroom motherfucking Dana made it back from Vegas alive. It was a successful Vegas trip indeed, and I'm very happy to be bringing you guys yet another moto vlog because, you know, if I went in Vegas, went a little too hard, and died, there would have been no more VroomVroomDana, and what would the world have done? No, but seriously, it feels really, really good to be back. More importantly, dude, it feels so good to be back on the bike. Like, when I was up there, I was like, fuck, dude, I really, really want to ride. Like, shit, I got this brand new back tire, and I'm stuck away from my bike. But honestly, I was in Vegas, so I mean, I'm not complaining. So, like I said, it definitely feels good to be back on Bay. No, it's not very often I make promises, let alone promises for anybody. But I did promise you guys that when I got a new back tire, I was gonna go up a specific hill that we couldn't go up before. So I'm really, really excited to be about to do that for you. I told you when I got a new back tire, I was gonna explore this shit and we were gonna go up it. And that's exactly what the fuck we're gonna be doing right now. Good thing there's a slow truck right here. Everybody's like, what the fuck is this motherfucker doing on the sidewalk? It's just zero fucks given, that's all. Alright, baby, new back tire. Treat me well going up this shit, alright? I paid a lot of money for you, I want you to do me well. Oh, skipped a gear, no big deal, no big deal. And it doesn't look like it, but that is pretty fucking gnarly. Even that 50-50 dual sport tire was struggling a little bit. Alright, this is where we turned around last time, so let's see what kind of shit we're about to get ourselves into. That was fantastic! I missed the gear and I fell! I'm so happy right now! Ah, shit. Now I lost my run up. Alright, I know what we're gonna do right here. We're gonna run alongside the bike. Ah, the things I do for you guys. Ah! I'm tired. That was the hardest hill climb. Ah! I'm struggling. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. What the fuck is happening? What did I do? What did I do? What happened? I gotta turn around. I gotta turn around. I gotta turn around. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Maybe I should have warmed up a little bit. Oh God. Oh, I'm so thirsty. Holy fuck. Woo! Okay. We're just gonna go through here. Holy fuck! This bike gets heavy when I do shit like that. I can't ride right now. I can't do it. Where does this even go? Where does this even go? So I don't make promises like what I get myself into. Oh shit. Is this even a... I don't even know if this is a trail anymore. Oh well, I guess we'll find out if we keep just going down it. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm so fucking tired. Oh, my arms are sore. I got an arm pump like cray cray. What am I doing? I cannot ride right now to save my life. This is the sketchiest I've ever ridden. Oh my goodness, what is going on? Where am I? Where is this world coming to? I hit my shin and now it hurts. Oh. I think I taste blood. I think I taste blood in my mouth. Oh God. I think my anus is bleeding too. And of course there's a fucking fence here. Of course there's a fucking fence. Why is there a fence? Why? Why is there a fucking fence? Lost. I think I might be lost. I couldn't get into the neighborhood. I gotta get out of the dirt. I can't ride today. Oh, and the sun is brutal. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. What is happening to me? Everything I knew about riding is officially gone. Everything I thought I was good at, I'm no longer good at. Give me a timeout. Vegas, you did me dirty. Vegas, you did me so fucking dirty. It's just too much. There's just no way on this thing. It just weighs too much, and the tire traction is just not there. There's just no possible way I'm supposed to do that shit. Oh God. Woo! Fuck me. In the butthole. That was exhausting. I'm done. I need to sit and break some shit, but if you enjoyed the video, drop a like for the follows, man. I don't know what happened. I know I haven't been riding in a while, and Vegas did me dirty, and street tire on the front is not good for going up sandy hills like that because it just washes out. So that was exciting. Embarrassing, but exciting. If you enjoyed, drop a like. Subscribe if you're new. Damn. I need some water in my life. Thanks, you guys are amazing. Talk to you next time.